it is Jennifer and welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's having a really good week so far. Today I'm going to be doing a Christmas Animation Louis Vuitton unboxing for the newest piece I just got in from the Christmas Animation 2020 collection. I'm also going to be showing you the Louis Vuitton holiday packaging, and I know we're all looking forward to what are they doing this year. Every year we look forward to this. If you like these kind of videos and you're not a subscriber, please hit the subscribe button right down there and click the bell so that you're notified when I upload a new video. If you'd like to see what I picked up and the holiday packaging this year, please keep watching. Before I get started, I'm going to talk to you about the sweater that I had on last week and I forgot to tell you about it. There it is right there. I got that in black and in white. I got it from Amazon. It is a really pretty cold shoulder turtleneck sweater. It was like $20, $25, really good priced. And it comes in extra small all the way up to extra or extra, extra large. It is really, really pretty. And I had it last year. It is still available, and I think it looks really pretty on camera. I also think it looks pretty with a pair of jeans, a pair of black slacks, and I'm gonna wear that all through the winter here, and I want to share that with you. So I'm gonna put a link below in case you want to check that out. I also want to tell you about the lipstick that I have on. I have the Marvelous Mauve. This is Sephora lip cream. This is number 13. I love it. It is a really pretty nude. This year what I did, or today what I did, was I topped it with this kind of a rose gold metallic. This is also a Sephora lip cream. I think this is number 109. I can't hardly see it. It's teeny tiny writing. I'll put it right here. But it's a real pretty topper for holidays, and I am now about holidays, obviously, because I'm doing these holiday videos. And hubby said yesterday, do you want me to put the tree up? No, you don't put the tree up. But I'm already getting ready for Thanksgiving or whatever. I'm skipping right over Halloween. Here in our area, we have like 2,000 trick-or-treaters that come to our house. This year, we're just not even giving out candy, not with what's going on in the world. So I'm hopping over Halloween. I'm going straight to Thanksgiving, straight to Christmas. I'm probably going to decorate for Christmas my next video. So anyway, I think this is really pretty. This is like a rose gold metallic, really pretty as a topper. You could probably wear it without a color underneath it too. So I'm going to share that with you. I'll link all this below. All right, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do this unboxing. This piece just came. I ordered it. It doesn't show it's available on the website. The stores did not get this piece. Here's what I did. I called an SA who was able to order it for me. And as of Sunday, this is Wednesday, as of Sunday, that piece can still be ordered off the website. What you have to do is you have to call the 800 number or the 888, whatever it is, and tell the rep that you want this piece and give him the style number. They could probably order it for you, even though it shows not available. So some of the pieces you might still be able to get. I would either reach out to an SA to see if they can order it for you, or call the website, talk to a rep, because that rep told me on Sunday that the mini Pochettes were still available and he was able to order it for somebody that day. All right, so I'm gonna get started on this unboxing. Like I said, it just came from UPS. I've already opened the box because we don't have time for that. This, yeah, oh my gosh, I've been ordering since the shutdown. I have not gotten any ribbons. They put in this box, they put the ribbon and a card in this box. They didn't wrap it around the box, but they did put the ribbon in, and they gave me a gift card. So maybe they're starting to do that again. I don't know, hopefully, because, you know, we pay enough for this. We want a little bit of ribbon. All right, I haven't opened this up yet. I just opened the box itself and saw that the ribbon was in there. The piece I got matches my mini Pochette. So if you didn't watch last week's video, I'll put a card above and a link below. I go through my entire Christmas Animation collection and I show you the piece that I got before this piece. All right, so here's what I purchased from, like I said, I got it from an SA who ordered it from the warehouse. But when I called Louis Vuitton on Sunday, they showed that it wasn't online, but it was still available to order. And this is, this is so cute, look at that. This is the monogram with the Vivienne in her Ferris wheel. And isn't that beautiful? thing's so cute. And the back has a real pretty ballerina pink leather backing. This one was, yeah, this one was made in France. Isn't that beautiful? I had to have this. I'm telling you, I love Ferris wheels. I told you in that video last week that I love Ferris wheels. And here was the mini pochette that it goes with. Isn't that cute? Oh, I really love this in some extra kind of way. I don't really use bag charms. This is only my second bag charm I've ever ordered. The first one was last year, Christmas Animation, and I'm going to show you a little clip over here of that piece that I got because it's not in here, but I'll show a clip of it. And I loved it so much just talking about it when I did that video that I thought, oh my God, I want one to go with my Christmas Animation this year with the Ferris wheel. And there it is on my Alma BB. Isn't that so cute? I love this year's collection. So that's how I'm going to carry it. I'm going to put it on a bag. I'm not going to just display it, but I'm actually going to use it this year. And I think she looks happy and fun. And like I said last week, we all need a little happy right now. All right, so that is my unboxing of my bag charm. Will that be the last piece I get this year? Maybe. That might be it for me. I might be out. I might be waving the white flag. This is all for me. Okay, so now I'm going to talk about the Christmas packaging this year. And it's so pretty that I kind of want to dedicate this video to it because this stuff flies out of the store as soon as it's released, and I want everyone to be ready for it. Last year, they had this really beautiful multicolored LV, and probably everybody that watches this will be familiar with what that looked like last year. They had, I'm hoping they have cards. I think they're gonna have cards this year. And here's what it looked like on a box last year with the beautiful multicolored card and this beautiful white ribbon that says Louis Vuitton in gold. And that's kind of, oh, that's right side up. Isn't that pretty? That was last year's. And then they gave gift box bags last year, and that was this. And this year they've got the packaging again. They've got the bags. I'm going to show you what they did the year before, which was no big deal. All they did was a red ribbon with a gold card if you could get a hold of it. And by the time I got in there, they were almost out of cards. And this was like right after Thanksgiving, and they were completely out. But they did find a piece of ribbon left in the back, and they found one card. So this was 2018. This is what the packaging looked like. Now I'm going to try to find an image of the year before, which would have been 2017. And that is where they did actually a bag again, and I wasn't able to get a hold of that, even though I was there right after Thanksgiving buying, and they're out of bags. So this year, we got to be ready for it if we want one. And like the Christmas Animation pieces, those things flew out. Okay, so this year, what they're doing is, they are doing a white bag with the blue ribbon, and which is very similar to this ribbon, but the bag is white. And then they have the multicolored on that white bag. That is going to be so beautiful framed. And I'm going to frame that one. I'm going to frame last year's. And here's some images of people that framed theirs last year. They had it matted and framed. So pretty. So pretty, so collectible. And those white bags are not going to last. So here's what I did. I reached out to an essay. She's going to send me that bag when it comes in. So ask your essay, would you please, when that packaging comes in, can you hold it for me? Because you bought a Christmas Animation piece, right? Can you send it to me? And that's what she's going to do. She's going to send me those pieces. Now, last year, they also took the fragrances, and I want to show you this. They took the fragrances, I'm going to show a little clip here, and they wrapped the Christmas fragrances in holiday wrapping, and they put a bow on it. And I believe that's what they're going to do this year. This is what the fragrance box looks like. And if you don't have a fragrance, it comes in a really pretty barrel packaging. And this is my coup de battant. And I want a new fragrance this year. I've been testing some, and I've got a couple that I really want. So I'm going to decide amongst the ones I like, and I'm going to pick one for holiday this year. And I'm going to make sure I get that holiday packaging. So that is what that's going to look like. I believe that's what that is, with the white wrapping with the holiday colors or the multicolors on it. It's really reminiscent to the before 2015 when they had the multicolored bags in the black and in the white. And I have the Alma PM in the white multicolored, and that's what that reminds me of, the new packaging does. So I'm going to get one of the fragrances this year, and I'm going to ask them to wrap it for me and put the bow around it. And I know my essay will do that for me because she's amazing. So that packaging, I think, is so beautiful. I would get a jump on it this year if you want it. I don't think it's going to last. I know people have frantically been grabbing things off the website, and since we're all kind of buying off the website right now, I don't know if they're going to wrap it for holiday. You know, they're just now, like I showed you, put the wrapping or put the ribbon in this box. It's the first ribbon I've gotten since March, and they just weren't wrapping. But now they, like I said, they put the wrapping in there. I don't know if they're going to do that online. So look for that. Maybe ask a rep if you call. But I would reach out to an essay that you're familiar with, that you've worked with before, and see if you can grab some of that holiday packaging. So that's the holiday packaging for Louis Vuitton Christmas 2020. I hope everybody can pick it up if you're interested. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe before you leave. And that's it. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.
We're gonna live the good life. Alright, let's go and live the good life, the good life. Tonight, we're gonna live the good life. Alright, let's go and live the good life, the good life. Tonight, we're gonna live the good life. Alright, let's go and live the good life, the good life. Tonight, we're gonna live the good life. Alright, let's go and live the good life, the good life. I saw you when you passed me by, girl. Listen, baby, it ain't no lie, girl. And I can't deny that you're sexy with that booty caught my eye, girl. Listen, you don't have to be the shy, girl. I'm not a player, no, I'm not the guy, girl. Listen, yeah, I know that we could fly up in the sky. At least we could try, girl. Yeah, you know that I've been around this time, look up and down for some to play with. Yeah, I know I finally found you, girl. I know I found you, girl. You got me. We're gonna live the good life. Alright, let's go and live the good life, the good life. Tonight, we're gonna live the good life. Alright, let's go and live the good life, the good life, the good life, the good life, the good life. Let's go and live the good life, the good life, the good life. Come with me, 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 come with me. Tonight, we're gonna live the good life. Alright, live the good life, the good life. Tonight, we're gonna live the good life, good life. Alright, let's go and live the good life, the good life, the good life, the good life. Let's go and live the good life, the good life, the good life. Come with me, come with me, come with me, come with me.